Hello dear students, today we are going to study our third chapter of moral science, which is Save Life, Donate Blood. This chapter is about donating the blood to the needy person. Okay, so here the writer of the chapter says that the man has become intelligent and trying to explore the world, but he is trying to know more about the new technologies and which are developing day by day. Technology is often a consequence of science and engineering, although technology as a human activity precedes the in the many fields. Okay, the food which we take in, it transforms into blood in our body, and blood is life giving substance. God has given us this life, so it is our responsibility to save someone's life by donating our blood to the needy person. See dear students, blood from one healthy person can be given to another one who is need of blood, who is in need. Okay, so as we all know that blood is required in hospital for patients, in operations, in accidents also. Victim needs blood. See here in this picture we can see that this person needs blood and the another person is giving him, he is donating blood to the other person. Okay, so but see, some people are afraid of donating blood. They must be educated on the importance of donating blood. People do not feel weakness after donating blood. After blood donation, the donor regains the blood soon. As we all know, when we eat healthy food, within a week or two, we will get our blood soon back in our body, okay, by having healthy food. Okay, then anyone between the age of 18 and 60 can donate a unit of blood once in 3 months. It means in 3 months a healthy body in the age of 18 to 60 years can donate blood within 3 months. Okay, once in a 3 month. Then the blood donor should weigh at least 45 kg. The donor should be at least 45, means the person should be healthy, otherwise he will fall sick. The blood taken from the body is replaced by nature within 3 weeks. As we eat healthy food, do exercise, we will gain our blood again. Then the nature seems to say, please donate this little amount from the extra you have. I promise to give it back to you within 21 days. See, nature says that. It means a body has the capacity to prepare the blood again. Again means when if we donate blood after some days by having good amount of good quality of food, required food, what will happen? This food will make the food convert this food and energy as blood, and this blood will be helpful to the person who is in need of blood. Okay, so you are walking blood bank. As we all have blood in our body, we are walking blood bank. If a person need blood, you can generously and without harming yourself donate it to save another's life. You can save someone's life by donating blood also, students. The color of blood of all people is red all over the world. Even if the color of their skin is white, black, brown or red, this is the nature's way of saying that all human beings are one and all must have each other by donating blood. See, you all know that the people color is different, है ना, but the blood color is same. The blood which is inside the body is same for all the person, in all the person. Okay, donating blood to save a life is a moral duty. Moral duty means it is a very good deed. You should donate blood. Okay, grow strong physically and mentally to fulfill this duty when you become young or adult. When you become young, it means after the age of 18, You can donate blood to the person who is needy, because it is a good deed, it is a moral duty. And if when you grow physically and mentally strong, then the Bible says, do to others what you would like others to do for you. It means what you want to do with yourself, what you want to do with yourself means you want to do that, you want that other people do good for you, then you have to do first good for others. Okay, you have to do good things for other, you have to help others. In return, God will help you, or the other person will help you in return when you are in need of help. So dear students, so be prepared to donate blood to help others, as you may want someone to donate blood to you when you are in need. Okay, so you have to learn and write in your copy the new words, not new words, you will have to write the key values which are given in the page number 14 of this chapter. Value for human life. What is the value of human life? You know, it is very precious. Duty of a citizen. What are the duties of citizen? That you must help others when they are in need. Okay, generosity. So these all are the key values which are very important in our life. So dear students, today I have explained you this chapter. What you have to do is read the chapter properly and write the question answers which I'll send you tomorrow. Okay, thank you.